Just an update on part preparation for the rebuild of the 951. I've taken the thermostat out of the housing and tested it with boiling hot water, and it seems to be stuck in part open position. It's not fully opening. Even tried it with a direct flame on the cooker, and it's still not opening. So it's a new thermostat required. Filter housing assembly has been done. I've been working my way along parts. This is the engine mount. We had great trouble with. It was solid, absolutely solid as a rock. That one was so bad we had to gas it to get it out. So basically we're looking for one of these. We're looking for that. So there's a lot of work to be done to just prepare the parts for fitting. These are the parts which are being prepared. Rocker cover, that's part of the manifold that comes off that bit there. It's bolted to the housing, and that comes off the top of there to the pre-air cleaner mushroom. So you can see there's all these parts here for the radiator. There's rubber seals, rubber strips on the radiator. We've still got those parts to clean up yet. The fan shrouds and the fan grills will be done. So there's still a fair bit of work to do, but it's all getting there. So preparation's the secret of any engine rebuild job. Make sure things are clean and not fractured. So the plan is to start to order some parts. The good news is I seem to have located a sump, thanks to KJ's. They ran me out of the blue, so they've actually found one, a second-hand one, which they're going to clean up Monday and drop down on Tuesday. So that's the position so far. It's just a lot of prep work. All this had to be reconstructed, all that on the casing for the filter. All that bit there, you can see, was rotted out with that 101mm tube. It was re-welded. So it's a fair bit of prep work to do before you get to rebuild the engine. So as I say, it's preparation to any rebuilds is the key. I used to do a lot of engine rebuilds on locomotives, so they had far more parts than these and a lot bigger, but it's getting there. I'm quite happy the way it's progressing, and I'm having some good help from my friend Neil, who's been a fantastic help on this project, and I'm looking forward to doing a functional check on the machine. So the bits I'm looking for is the seat, which I've been told there's a seat frame may be available, and the 4-in-1 metal pipes that runs up the right hand side of the loaded arms, which is held into a metal shrouding. So I might give Stephen Green of Nelson Green Sons a ring to see if he got one of them up there. And it's a matter of just getting the parts, cleaning up the parts I've already got, and then the great rebuild begins. So I'm looking forward to that. So see you next time.